Hey, I know a lot of y'all are waiting on that big parking lot sale to start on Monday, but there's no sense to wait. There's plenty of super coupons and ITC member deals that can be had this weekend, and with any purchase you can get a free gift. How about a dollar item? Mini spring clamp set, anybody? These work wonders on tarps, holding up, potato chips, you name it. How about a $2 item? Torpedo level, got a couple of these, keep them in various bags. Always need a level handy. How about $3? How about this circuit tester? It's got a 5-foot lead, $3. Get a free gift. How about some string trimmer line? This is 100 foot of .065. Great deal at $4. Get a free gift. $5, 3/8 inch drive hex socket set, the 6-piece. Like I said, $5 you get a free gift. $6, need some welding gloves? $7, nice microfiber towel set, 12-pack, and a free gift. How about your universal paint system refill kit? $8. $9, 3/8 inch drive, 17-inch breaker bar, and a free gift. And $10, you can get some step drill bits. And then you get a free gift. You get those Grant's microfiber cleaning cloth, 12 by 12 4-pack. You can get a pair of the Hardy Latex work gloves, or you can get the 2-piece Quinn screwdriver set. Either way, you can't go wrong. Hope this helped. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos for all the deals.